Let me show you one of the most beautiful animation mistakes ever. In the first How to Train Your Dragon movie, there's a scene with Hiccup and Toothless where Toothless pauses for a moment. It's actually a mistake in the animation, but it's such a lovely one that it adds real emotion to the scene. That's why the filmmakers decided to keep it, even though it wasn't supposed to be there. In How to Train Your Dragon 2, you can see Hiccup and Drago using the same move with their weapons to calm the dragons. Hiccup's way is calm and gentle, while Drago's way is harsh and aggressive. The animators added tiny scratches and scars on Toothless in the first movie to show he's been through battles, making him look more real and expressive.